In the modern world, your brain is often more valuable than a factory. Let's explore what the knowledge economy actually means for your career. The knowledge economy describes a system where the production of goods and services is based on intellectual capital rather than physical labor or machinery. Today, over 70% of the total economic output in developed nations is generated by the service and information sectors. This economy thrives on four pillars: constant skill upgrading, digital infrastructure, a focus on innovation, and the ability to work from anywhere globally. Unlike the industrial era where physical assets like factories dominated, the knowledge economy values intangibles like software, patents, and specialized expertise. Look at the S&P 500. Decades ago, most company value was physical. Today, 90% of their value is tied to intangible knowledge assets. The bottom line is that in this landscape, your ability to learn and adapt is truly your most reliable financial asset. If you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe for more money basics. Thanks for watching and keep building your skills.